You've been told this bottle can erase wrinkles, brighten your skin, and make you glow. But the truth is, it's mostly being washed down the drain. Those $200 skin serums you've been spending your hard-earned money on are barely scratching the surface. Because skin aging doesn't happen on the surface. It starts deep within your cells, where those expensive serums can't even reach. In this video, I'm going to share what's really causing your skin to age, and how to give your skin what it actually needs to look healthier, brighter, and younger. Let's talk about those skincare products you've been using every day. You spend hundreds, maybe thousands on serums, creams, and retinols that promise to erase wrinkles, boost collagen, and give your skin that glow. And sure, some of it does something. Vitamin C can brighten your complexion, retinol can smooth fine lines, sunscreen protects you from UV damage. The problem is, your skin is a barrier. It was built to keep things out. When you apply that $200 serum, only a small fraction, maybe 1 to 5%, ever gets to the layer where collagen and elastin are made. The rest just stays on the surface, washed away the next time you take a shower. Topical products can't go deep enough to address what's really happening. Skin aging begins below the surface, driven by things like genetics, hormones, stress, sleep, and overall health. The deeper issue is energy. Your skin cells need massive amounts of energy to repair damage, maintain hydration, and regenerate themselves. And when they don't have it, that's when the fine lines, dullness, and uneven texture show up. That's why the products you're using aren't solving the problem. They might smooth things out for a while, but they're not giving your skin what it actually needs to stay healthy and youthful. That's why the products you're using aren't solving the problem. They're treating the surface. Aging doesn't start there. It starts deeper at the cellular level. This is where your skin's real work happens. It's where cells repair damage, keep your skin hydrated, and regenerate new layers. But all of that takes energy, massive amounts of energy. And that energy comes from a molecule called ATP. ATP is what powers your skin cells, and it's made inside tiny structures within your cells. When those structures can't produce enough energy, everything slows down. Collagen production drops, repair slows to a crawl, hydration fades. This is the first process driving skin aging. Your cells are running out of fuel. At the cellular level, skin aging is driven by 4 main processes. First, mitochondrial dysfunction, which means your cells can't produce enough energy. Second, oxidative stress, which are free radicals damaging your cells faster than they can repair themselves. Third, inflammation. And fourth, decreased cell turnover, meaning your cells aren't regenerating as fast as they used to. All 4 of these processes trace back to one thing: your mitochondria. Your skin cells, especially the ones called fibroblasts that produce collagen and elastin, are packed with mitochondria. These mitochondria need to produce massive amounts of ATP every single day to keep your skin healthy. Using that energy, they're synthesizing new collagen and elastin to keep your skin firm and elastic. They're repairing UV damage and oxidative damage from pollution and stress. They're maintaining your skin barrier so it stays hydrated. And they're producing antioxidants like glutathione that protect your cells from damage. When your mitochondria are working properly, your skin looks healthy. When your mitochondria starts breaking down, everything falls apart. And that's when the wrinkles show up, the skin gets dull, and no amount of cream is going to fix it. Why do mitochondria break down in the first place? And what can you do about it? If you understand what's actually causing your skin to age at the cellular level, then you can fix the root problem instead of just covering it up with the symptoms. As you age, your mitochondrial function declines. It's not something you can see in the mirror at first, but it's something that happens inside every single cell in your body. Your skin cells start producing less ATP, and when they're producing less energy, they can't keep up with the damage. This is because a lot of factors are attacking mitochondrial every single day. First, free radicals. These are unstable molecules that damage your DNA, your proteins, and the fats inside your cell membranes. This is called oxidative stress, and it's one of the main drivers of aging. Your mitochondria are constantly under attack from these free radicals, and over time, the damage adds up. Second, blood flow and oxygen delivery to your skin gradually decline as you age. That means your skin cells are getting less of the fuel they need to produce ATP. Less oxygen means less energy production. Less energy production means your skin can't repair itself as well. Third, poor sleep, chronic stress, and blood sugar problems further damage your mitochondrial efficiency over the years. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. High cortisol damages mitochondria. When you don't sleep enough, your cells can't repair the mitochondrial damage that happened during the day. When your blood sugar is constantly spiking and crashing, it creates oxidative stress that directly harms your mitochondria. This is why fine lines, uneven skin tone, and loss of elasticity often appear even when someone is doing everything right with their skincare routine. You could be using the best products in the world, but if your mitochondria are struggling, your skin isn't getting the energy it needs to stay young. If you want skin that actually glows from the inside out, you need to support mitochondrial function directly. You need to give your cells the raw materials they need to produce ATP efficiently. How do you do so? Your body has a built-in antioxidant defense system. The most powerful antioxidant you have is called glutathione. This is your master antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals before they damage your mitochondria. It protects your cells and detoxifies anything harmful. When your glutathione levels are high, your skin stays healthier longer. When they're low, aging speeds up. Glutathione isn't the only thing your mitochondria need. There are specific nutrients that directly fuel mitochondrial function and help produce ATP. Coenzyme Q10 is one of them. It's a molecule that lives inside your mitochondria and helps convert food into energy. As you age, your CoQ10 levels drop and your mitochondria production produces less energy. B vitamins are critical too. They help your mitochondria convert glucose and fat into usable energy. Without enough B vitamins, your cells struggle to produce ATP even when they have plenty of fuel available. Magnesium is another essential nutrient. It's involved in over 300 reactions in your body, including the ones that produce ATP inside your mitochondria. If you're low in magnesium, your energy production drops across your entire body, including your skin. Carnitine helps transport fats into your mitochondria so they can be burned for energy. Without enough carnitine, your mitochondria can't use fat as fuel efficiently. And then there are peptides like GHK copper. This is a copper peptide that has been shown to support mitochondrial function, stimulate collagen production, and help repair damaged tissue. It works at the cellular level to help your skin regenerate itself. When your mitochondria have the nutrients they need, your skin is literally more alive at the cellular level. Your fibroblasts can produce more collagen again, your cells can repair UV damage. But there's still a problem. You can't get therapeutic doses of these nutrients from food alone. And if you take them as oral supplements, most of them get broken down in your digestive system before they ever reach your bloodstream. You're absorbing maybe 20 to 30% if you're lucky. So if topical products can't reach deep enough and oral supplements can't deliver high enough doses, then what's the solution? How do you actually get these nutrients into your cells at concentrations that make a difference? That's where most people get stuck. They know what their cells need, but they have no way to deliver it. There is one method that bypasses all these limitations and delivers nutrients directly where they need to go. Compared to oral supplements, it allows 100% absorption, which means it gets directly into your blood. It's the most efficient way to boost hydration and works for everyone. It's called IV nutrient therapy. The best thing about this therapy is it's 100% bioavailable. That means every single molecule of your nutrients we put into that IV bag reaches your bloodstream. Nothing gets broken down in your stomach, nothing gets destroyed by the digestive enzymes. It all goes straight into your blood. Second, it can help you achieve concentrations that are impossible with oral supplements. When you swallow a pill, your body can only absorb so much at once. The rest gets flushed out. But with IV therapy, you can deliver therapeutic doses that are 10 to 20 times higher than what you could ever get from a pill. Third, immediate cellular delivery. The nutrients reach your skin cells, your fibroblasts, and your mitochondria within minutes. You're not waiting hours or days for absorption. Your cells get what they need right away, and then they can start using it immediately. Just 1 or 2 sessions, most people notice improved hydration. Their skins look brighter, there's a subtle glow that wasn't there before, and that's just the beginning. With consistent treatments, the results get even better because you're not just hydrating the surface, you're giving your cells the fuel they need to repair and regenerate from the inside. Not all IV therapy is created equal. You've probably seen those IV drip bars popping up everywhere. They offer pre-made formulas with cute names like Glow or Beauty Boost. You walk in, pick from a menu, sit in a chair, and get a standard drip. It's convenient, sure. Those formulas are one size fits all. They're diluted, pre-mixed, and they're not designed for your specific needs. That is where Vive Wellness comes in. We offer medical grade, personalized IV protocols designed to optimize cellular function, specifically for skin health and mitochondrial support. For clients who are serious about optimization, we start by running lab work. We can test your micronutrient levels to see exactly what you're deficient in. We check inflammatory markers to see if chronic inflammation is damaging your skin. This gives us a complete picture of what your cells actually need. Based on your assessment and your goals, we create a fresh, compounded IV formula specific to you. For example, if you need more glutathione because your oxidative stress is high, we add it. If your B vitamins are low, we adjust the dose. If your magnesium is deficient, we make sure you're getting enough. Every IV is built around your unique biochemistry. The difference between what we do and what you get at drip bars is night and day. We're targeting root causes, not just giving you a quick hydration boost. This is a systematic approach. You're not just putting something on your skin and hoping it works. You're delivering the exact nutrients your mitochondria need at the exact doses they need directly into your bloodstream where they can actually do something. I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds expensive or complicated. Can I keep just using my skincare products and hope for the best? The answer is yes, you can. If you've been doing that for years and you're still not getting the results you want, then maybe it's time to try something different. Maybe it's time to stop treating the surface and start fixing the source. Visit our website or call us to schedule a consultation and we'll run the test to see exactly what your cells need.